We are going to spend a few moments to install Sugar using the setup wizard. You'll notice that I am installing Sugar 12 Preview 1. Sugar tells us all the things that it is going to check to make sure that we have everything installed in our environment correctly. I'm just going to click Next. We're going to be prompted for our Sugar license. Sugar is checking our system environment to verify that we have everything set correctly. We are prompted for our Sugar license key. So I have already entered the information. We're prompted for our database type. In this environment, we are using MySQL. We are going to go ahead and install a database called CRM Sugar 12. It is running on our local host. We have our administrator user along with the password. We are going to be installing the demo data, and we're ensuring that we have Elasticsearch also set up correctly. We're going to click Next. Sugar verifies that it can connect to the server. I am now going to create an admin user and provide a password, a good strong password. Sugar verified that I entered the password the same for both. Okay, Sugar's going to verify that it's going to go through all of the different types of things that I asked it to do. It's going to install on MySQL. It's going to install on the local host. It's going to create a database. It's going to use the root user. It's verifying that we have all of the information set up correctly for the system environment. And now I'm just going to go ahead and click Install. Once everything is completed, we're able to get to the login screen. So we have installed all of our environment. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in as the root user. I'm going to check that we are accepting the use of cookies. I'm going to fill out my profile. I'm going to be prompted for some locale settings. I am in the West Coast, so the time zone is correct. Select my date format, my time format, and my name format. I'm provided some other options to complete some setup, but for now, I'm just going to click Start Sugar. And we have our development environment up and running.